Hi, my name is Akino. Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo. My channel is all about Japanese cuisine, and most of the recipes are easy to follow, but still maintaining the authenticity of Japanese cuisine. I will walk you through the step-by-step instructions to make a delicious Japanese food at home. Let me talk a little bit about myself. My first language is Japanese, obviously. I was born and raised in Japan, and I have never lived overseas, so please be generous about my English. After graduation, I was an English major, and I worked for a Swiss jewelry company for 7 years. I was so lucky to have an opportunity to talk in English with my boss and colleagues from all over the world. I left the company when I was pregnant, and I decided to start my dream job. Baking was my passion since I was a child. I was an enthusiastic home baker, and I started my small pastry shop in 2004 in Nara, the oldest palace city in Japan, and I ran a business for more than 15 years. And I taught at my baking class at the same time. Meanwhile, I started my YouTube channel 2017, and here I am. I have transferred my business to my local social welfare company to develop the local society, and I'm still in the business as a consultant. My passion is sharing simple yet delicious Japanese food for you to have a happy and healthy life. I hope the video is helpful for all of you. Thanks for watching.